Hello friends, I'm Eric Hutchinson. I'm the principal broker and owner of Hutchinson Realty. Welcome to my Days on Market contest for March. What is Days on Market? That's simply the time period it takes to sell a home from the beginning whenever it goes into the multiple listing service all the way to the end at the closing table when it changes ownership. We call that Days on Market. We're going to be looking at our 5 largest towns in Northwest Arkansas: Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, and Bella Vista. And we're only looking at single-family residential property. Which town can sell the homes the quickest? The last 2 months, Springdale has won, and last month they could sell a house in 38 days, which is just amazing. But will they hold on to their championship? Our interest rates have been fluctuating since January, but what is that doing to our days on market? Is it taking longer to sell a house? We're going to be looking at that, and we're going to be looking at one town that has actually doubled their days on market and why that could be happening. So let's get into the data, shall we? We're going to start south in Fayetteville. So this time last month, Fayetteville could sell a home in 47 days, which is pretty good. But look at the increase. This month, it's taking them 73 days to sell a home. Let's go over to Springdale. Now, Springdale was our reigning championship. Last month, it was 38 days, and they only went up 3 days to 41. So that's going to be tough to beat. Let's move over to Rogers. So this time last month in Rogers, they were at 60 days, and they have actually gotten better. They have actually got dropped to 44 days on the market, but they still have not beat Springdale at 41. Let's move over to Bentonville. Look at Bentonville. This time last month, they were at 59 days on the market. This month, they are at 118. They have doubled their days on market. What's going on in Bentonville? Well, I have a theory. Bentonville has a lot of new construction houses. In fact, as you can see, in the last 30 days, there's been 120 houses sell in Bentonville. 71 of those houses were new construction. Now, back whenever we had COVID and the pandemic was a real issue, builders would wait until the house was almost complete before they would put it on the market. And so their days on market was very short. But since we don't have as many multiple offer situations as we've had this time last year, now those multiple offer situations are becoming fewer and fewer because of the interest rates going up. So builders are now putting the home on the market before the house is complete, sometimes up to 90 days before the house is complete. That means that even if the house goes under contract quickly, it still takes it 3 months to sell the house, to close on the property. So that makes the days on market to go up. So that's what I think is happening in Bentonville, but still, it all really happened quickly. So maybe just a bunch of new construction houses came finished and then they closed, and so it made our days on market go up. That's my theory. Let's move over and let's look at Bella Vista. So Bella Vista's just been holding pretty steadily around 55 days on the market. Last month it was 56. This month it's 57, so they have not increased much. Let's look at all of the towns. As you can see, this time last year, January, February, March, we had sold 462 houses, 459, 694 this time last year. Now move over to the right-hand side of your screen, 307 in January, 437, 363. Now, keep in mind that our March data is not complete. We are at March 28th, and so we've got a few more days, and usually houses close towards the end of the month, so I suspect that'll go up at least by 100, but still a lot less than this time last year. Why? Because of our interest rates. And as you can see, our days on market in this year has been increasing. Started at 44, 63, and I suspect that the 60 in March behind me, that you will see that increase as we have at least another 100 houses sell. So it'll be interesting to see. Check back next month with me whenever I go over this contest again, and we'll see if that number has increased. Now, what can we draw conclusions from? This is kind of a fun little contest, but I think that this tells us what's going on in our market. These are sold listings. I'm not looking at value today, but it is taking longer for houses to sell. Whether it's new construction that's putting their homes on the market before it's complete, or it's resale homes and they're starting their prices up here and they're not selling immediately, so they're lowering the price, and it just takes longer to sell a home. So I think you're going to continue to see that days on market increase slightly unless the interest rates go down, and they're predicting that interest rates are going to go back up. So we are going to be looking at that as we get through this year. Come back next week when I'll be looking at our market update, and we'll be looking at all of the sold data in March, and we'll see if our values are holding strong. Thanks for watching, and I want you to reach out to me at info@hutchrealty.com if you have any questions, or you can just message me from this video. No matter what, I wish you the very best. May God bless you, and may God bless your home. Hey, are you still watching? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, like this video, and we will give you the most up-to-date real estate information in Northwest Arkansas. Don't forget to subscribe.